Good morning, everyone. I'm James Starr from Anovastarr Accounting Services. So I specialise in management accounts, budget and forecasting, performance analysis. So today I'm going to talk about how and why I became an accountant. So during secondary school, my main passions were sport and maths. Always liked math because there's always a right and wrong answer, whereas subjects like art and English is quite subjective and creative, which I wasn't really interested in, to be honest. After sixth form, I joined a small accountancy practice in Wisbech. Then after a year, I regretted not going into higher education. At that point, I didn't know whether to do a sports degree or a business degree to give me a more broader aspect in like marketing, HR, etc. And I thought, well, what can I use a sports degree with? So I thought, well, it could be as like a sports, own a leisure centre like British Empire. Does anyone remember British Empire before, back in the 90s? Oh well. So in the end, I went down to the business route. I left there with a business degree, and then I knew I wanted to work for a big organisation at the time. And then the tour operator side of Thomas Cook moved up from Bromley to Peterborough. So I managed to get a job in costing. Which didn't need to be an accountant to be in costing, but you had a good attention to detail. And then after a couple of years in that department, there's no real career progression. So I thought, well, I'll try and get back into finance, which I did, and then had a few roles. I passed my accountancy exams, and then I decided to move. Into do contract work with a number of different organisations. And apologies. And yeah, I think studying accountancy has opened many doors. I mean, it's I think for any school leavers who are undecided what they want to do in their life, I think, accountancy is a good option, and it opens many doors, very transferable skills. And just to clear up a common myth, not all accountants have a personality of an oven chip. So I'm James Starr from Anovastarr Accounting Services. Thank you.